Here's the brand new Apple Watch Series 10, and as you know, it comes packed with tons of new features. So without any further ado, let me show you how to pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone and set it up in just a few minutes. We're gonna pair our Apple Watch with iPhone 16 Pro Max, but the process is exactly the same on any iPhone. To begin the pairing process, first make sure that your Apple Watch is turned on. Then you can simply bring your iPhone close to your Apple Watch and you should see this connect pop-up. You can click continue to begin the setup. But in your case, if you don't get the pop-up, then don't worry. Just open the Watch app and tap on start pairing. Now let's begin the setup process, and I'm gonna choose setup for myself. Now you can hold your Apple Watch inside this frame that you see on your iPhone, then your Apple Watch will start pairing. Or you can select pair Apple Watch manually, then on your watch, tap on this info icon. Make sure both are the same, then tap on it from your phone, wait for the Apple Watch to show you the code, and type it in on your iPhone. Great, your Apple Watch Series 10 is now paired to your iPhone, which is the most trickiest part. So now we'll just tap on Setup Apple Watch, choose our preferred wrist, agree to the terms and conditions, then verify your Apple ID by entering your password, choose if you want to share your data with Apple, and whether you want to create a passcode or not. We'll select Don't Add Passcode for now. Enable or disable location services, and after that select a text size that you're comfortable with. Then enter your health data if you want, and you can also set up your sleep schedule, which we will skip. Then make sure that you have the notifications for these health features turned on. Then press continue, you'll get an overview of the double tap feature and the brand new depth sensor. We'll keep it selected to open depth when submerged. Finally, enable Find My Watch and your Apple Watch will start syncing. We are basically done here, just wait for it to finish, and in the meantime you can tap on Get to Know Your Watch and go through these guides. This only took a minute for us, which is very fast, and we can see the hello screen on both our iPhone and our Apple Watch. Let's just press start on our Apple Watch, then it will show you a small guide on how to use the buttons. And you're ready to rock your brand new Apple Watch Series 10. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you soon.